Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and if you're tired of your sites not making enough or any money at all, you're going to want to pay close attention to this video and this page that you're on right now. Because on this page, we're going to reveal our new 3-step WordPress plugin that turns any site into a profit-pulling machine by quickly and easily deploying high-converting offers in under 60 seconds so that you can dominate your niche while our plugin handles all of your monetization for you. What you're going to see on this page is going to allow you to instantly monetize any site in multiple different ways. You'll be able to automatically add profitable offers to your sites in under 60 seconds. You'll be able to maximize the profit you make from every site you own or manage. You'll be able to quickly add AdSense, affiliate offers, your own offers, CPA offers, call to actions, or anything you'd like all over your sites. You'll be unlocking our powerful ad creator as a huge limited time bonus, which will allow you to quickly create and deploy ads in seconds from proven built-in templates. You'll be getting agency rights included so you can monetize your client sites too. And you'll also be unlocking our geo-targeting feature to skyrocket your conversions even more by displaying the most relevant ads by location. So this is the time where I invite you to go below this video and check out the demo video, check out the example sites, check out all the features packed into Adtivate, check out the exclusive launch only bonuses, and then finally pick the option that's right for you. And of course, we also have a 30-day money back guarantee. So you have zero risk but a ton of profit to gain with our powerful WordPress plugin. So go ahead and go below this video to check out the incredible offer we have for you today.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your life and business to the next level. Of course, anything that will help you make money online. I review software products and training courses that help you do so. And today I have another amazing product review called Adtivate, and this one is going live, being launched by super affiliate Joshua Zamora on Jevisu platform, and of course it's going live on the 7th of July 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this product is actually, in a nutshell, one that is going to help you exactly use WordPress automation. Now this is a new 3-step WP, which is WordPress plugin that turns any site into a profit-pulling machine by quickly and easily deploying high converting offers in under 60 seconds. And you can dominate any niche of your choice with their plugin, which handles all the monetization for you. And this is, I believe, gives you also access to having a working website that you can make money with. And this is one striking and beautiful thing about this product. And if as such, this is one you're going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will bring you to this very sales page where you can pick up a copy of this using any of the buttons that I'm going to show you. I think green in color. They're about this button. If you click it, it will take you to my Jevisu platform account, where you will be able to check out for this one. I'm very elated to promote this, and we will come back to this. But before we go ahead with this, I will definitely show you the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. Now this is my bonus page. It has about 1,022 bonuses here which you can make use of, and of course, if you allow me, we are going to have to go through them one by one so that you will be able to see what I have got for you. My first bonus will be a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits, and it's called Latitude. It's a software training course that I'm going to teach you from scratch. I mean, I'm giving you something that worth a lot of money as my bonus number one, and that will be good for you on any level of digital marketing. And my bonus number two will be Twittex, and this one is going to help you crack the Twitter traffic, which is amazing. It's a product, a software that has Chrome extension that is going to help you actually use the Chrome extension to harvest traffic from Twitter platform. Okay, It's a crazy one. You're going to need is a complete product for you, software itself. Now my bonus number 3 will be insurgency, and insurgency is one that is going to help you actually surge ahead with your ads on Facebook, because it's going to help you teach you how to actually do affiliate marketing using ads on Facebook in order to master it for productivity. Okay, that's about what insurgency does for you. And my bonus number 4 will be lazy traffic sniper, and this very one is going to give you access to free buyer traffic. Is a training course that is going to teach you how to snipe traffic lazily, even without doing much. Okay, so that's exactly what you have there. These are all software products that you have there for you. My bonus number 5 will be the JavaScript commission board, which is how to make 4-figure daily commissions. It's a total complete training course that you have there, and that means you don't have to pay any money for this. Naturally, if you search for this on Warrior Plus, you'll be able to get information on how much is sold. Now, bonus number 6 will be the lockdown formula, which is another crazy training course that made a lot of people millionaires today and super affiliates, because it was when we had the coronavirus lockdown of 2020-2021, and this was a product launched by Jonah Armstrong and Dawood Islam, and this was the teaching that taught a lot of people who were locked up at home to begin to know how to make money online, and today some of them are very successful. Now my bonus number 7 will be a commission toolbox, which has over 1,000 digital marketing tools. This is a crazy one. Anything you want, as long as marketing and traffic and whatever you want online is packaged in these 1,000 tools that are contained in this very bonus, and this link will give you amazing access to that. When you click any of these links, of course, when you click any of the links, you'll find on the sales page, which I showed you earlier, you will be able to actually get to the JVZoo account of mine where you purchase this product. When you do purchase it, you'll be able to get the prompting that will enable you get these bonuses that I'm going to attach to you on the JVZoo platform. You'll be able to get access to it on your Warrior Plus, on your JVZoo purchase history. So it's going to be waiting for you there. Now, that's about what you have there. Now, let's see a little bit of the very dashboard area of Adtivate and see what you have there. Now, you have the plugin, the very plugin that is going to actually help you, automate this system and, of course, have it operational, creating offers and making money for you with your site. These are all the information you are going to get there. And here you have the tutorials for how this works. This is the first one, downloading and installing Additive, which are all videos, because this is a complete training course that will teach you how to do this, thereby creating a website for you where traffic is driven and, of course, money is made. So, and here you have the support, and here you have all the products. It's a training course. You will be able to go get the training that you will require, as long as this one is concerned by creating white label. All these are training videos that you're going to watch at your convenience, and I believe that takes care of the Adtivate members area, which you are going to become a member of when you purchase this using the link in my description. Now, let us take a look at the very sales page, which I believe you will have access to at your convenience when you arrive here, using the link in my description area, and all this will be available for you to go through so that you make up your mind if Adtivate is going to be a product. But since it's on JVZoo, I think it's a very good product, and that I can assure you. And of course, you will be able to make use of this one and the information therein when you get here. Okay, that is basically what this one is all about. And I will leave that to you. When you get here, you will be able to surf through and then, of course, see what the product talks about. Now, let us see if we can locate the very pricing for this. Okay, yeah, this is actually the pricing for this product. The front end for this one goes for $34.95 for early birds. And that is the front end, and you have the agency, Activate agency it goes for $47, and you have the OTO number 2, which goes for the white label $197. You have the OTO number 4, Send Trial Agency plugin, goes for $47, and Auto Blogger WordPress plugin goes for as much as $67. And all this information will become available to you. That is talking about the pricing. And now let us try to go through the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you for the last time, so that you see if making up your mind requires that you go through them once more. And of course, I will be able to get that information for you when eventually you make up your mind on this. And this is definitely where we are going to come to the end of this review. If you are new to my channel or returning customer, I would encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications, and I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, is goodbye, guys.